Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's your girl G Baby.
Big girls rule. Big girl can go down low. Big girls rule. Make your bottom touch the floor. Big girls rule. Big girl wine and go down. Big girls rule. Make your bottom touch it.
Before we get any further into this video, make sure you like this video, share this video, comment down below what you think about this video, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on your post notification bell, set it to all so that you can be notified each and every time your girl posts, upload, go live, or even do a premiere on my channel. Come on now, you don't want to miss it. Anyway, at the end of this video, I do have an announcement to make, so you guys will want to stay tuned for that. But without further ado, let's get into this video, shall we? Yes, guys, you read the title below correctly. I am doing my second unboxing video on my channel. I did my first unboxing video when I got my ring light. That's the baby over there. I love my baby. My baby is so beautiful right now. She is so beautiful right now. But tonight is not about you, baby. You get your shine sometime else. Yeah. I am doing yet another unboxing video on my channel. This time, I am bringing to you guys a personal blender. It is the Kenmore personal blender, as you can see. Okay, so this blender, I'm just gonna be reading some of the details so you guys can see whether or not that this would be a product that you guys would consider buying or anything. No, it's not a sponsored video, so let me put that disclaimer out. It is not a sponsored video. I bought this blender because it's something like this that I've been looking for all the time. I just wanted a handheld blender and you know, something cute, you know, to blend my little smoothies and everything, since a girl is starting her, you know, journey. But that will be another video in its own. We're gonna leave alone right there. So what I'm gonna be doing now is reading a little bit of the details of this blender, and then we are going to get into what this video is mainly about, unboxing this bad boy. This is it says it's a powerful, precise stainless blades built with 250 watts of power and expertly crafted stainless steel blades for effortless crushing and smooth, accurate blending. It is a one-touch blending, quick, convenient smoothies, shake, and drinks. It is a durable 20-ounce BPA 3-sport bottle. So it's a bottle at the same time. It's a blender and a bottle, so you can drink from it like directly. That's cool. You can replace the detachable blade attachment with the ergo-friendly drinking lid. Easy to carry. So it comes with a drinking lid. That is awesome. That is cool. So yeah, since I read the details, y'all understand what the details are. Maybe y'all would consider getting an item like this. I don't know. It all depends. So anyway, before, you know, let's get into unboxing this, shall we? My handy dandy scissors. Okay, here we go. So, as I am unboxing this, I am so freaking excited. Do not cut yourself down. Please don't do that. We ain't able to see no kind of bloodshed on this video at all. Use the scissors. Please. Put that over there. Just keep it. Okay. It comes with the personal. What are you doing? Okay. It comes with a guide. See? There's a guide right there. Like it's warning you. It says, stop. Please do not return this item to the store. Really? It says, please do not return item to the store. I'm like, okay. So, y'all know what that means. If it broke, I mash up, I need to trade away. Okay? Good. So it comes with this little, okay, first item it came with, in this little package right here, the package, and this you have, let's put it down there, right there, okay. Right here you have the lid, the bottle lid. It did tell you can replace it with the extra lid that comes in it. And this is cool. I'm gonna put this back in here. Put this back in the wrapper. This is dope. Like, really, it is. The second item we have comes in the box. The box right here is the actual blender. Coming out. The actual bottle blender. This is neat. Okay, as you can see, there's the blade section and there that goes on the blender like this. So it's actually, it goes on upside down. And this is cute. Unique. I've never had something like this. This is really unique, okay? Let me take out this out the box and I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Let me take out the extra stuff out the box so it can be easier on me. Okay guys, I'm back. I was showing you guys the bottle blender, the actual bottle blender. It comes with the bottom. This goes in the blender. That's the blender itself. And it makes like upside down like this. But the bottle is right side up right now. But when it goes onto the blender, it goes upside down. And that's cute. Let me see here. Take it out. This is plastic. See, and this is the blade part of it. The blade part. Do not touch the blade, people. I gotta remind myself, don't touch the blade. Okay. And now you have the bottle. This bottle is cute. I like it. It's really cute. It's like, it's hard plastic. It's plastic, but it's foam. Like, it's foam plastic. And that, I like that. I like it. I really do. So yeah, this you can say this is the blend, the part that blends, okay? And this is the bottle. Let's put that back on there. Put you over there. Now I am going to be showing you guys the base of the whole entire blender, okay? The parts that makes it function, which is the base of the blender. Let me show you guys how it comes first. Let me show you guys. Actually plug in for real. So this is how it comes. I have with the card. It's like a personal blender with the card. Anyway, this is how it comes. So let me take it out of the wrapping. It's cute. It's cute or whatever. So this is the little wrapping that it came in. The wrapping that it came in. And right now, get these out of the way really quick. And this is the actual look of the blender. The actual look of the blender. See, the button says pause. And it says the name of it, which is a Kenmore blender. And you have the part that the actual blender goes into. Well, the blade part of the y'all know what I mean. Difficult baby break. So this is my blender that I got. My personal blender that I got. I am so excited because now this means that I will be able to make my smoothie, and your girl will be able to start eating properly. I will take you guys on my journey when I start to go on my smoothie diet. I don't like saying the word diet because it has the word die in there, so I ain't nobody dying over here. So I'll just use the phrase healthy journey while I go on my healthy journey. Yeah, like I said, I will be taking you guys on my healthy journey. When I start, I will let you guys know when I start. And just picking up the camera. But this is the thing that is, I'll be doing it daily, but you guys will be getting a video from me every other day, not daily. Because my schedule is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And your girl, baby, don't work on the weekends. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, y'all will be getting a video from me. When I do start, you guys will definitely be on this journey with me. No doubt. Anyway, this is the end of this unboxing video. I can't wait to do more unboxing videos for you guys. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. But like I said, this is it for the end of this video. Oh wait, let me put it together so you guys can actually see how it looks fully assembled. Oh, okay. Oh, so you press down and you twist. Oh, okay, so that's how it looks fully assembled. So you just twist and pull up and you put it back down and you twist and turn to lock it. It actually shows you right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It shows you right there where this side is locked and that side is unlocked. So it tells you how to lock and unlock it. So, but you gotta push down. You gotta push down and turn to lock it, and then you gotta turn it to unlock it. See? Okay, good. With that being said, this is the official end of this video. This unboxing video, okay? Like I said, I had an announcement at the end of this video, and my announcement is I am so excited to let you guys know that I will be doing my first reaction video ever on this channel. Dance to me. Yes, I will be doing my first reaction video on my channel. I am so pumped and excited to see how it's actually going to turn out and to see you guys feedback on it. I want to see you guys feedback on it. Please don't let it go down. Like, don't let it go down. Don't let it go down, man. Anyway, alright, this is it. This is officially the end of the whole entire video, okay? The end. Throw the video away. Now don't throw the video away. Look at the video. Okay? Anyway, as you know, like this video, share this video, comment down below what you think about this video, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload, post, go live, or even do a premiere on my channel. As you already know, it's your girl G, baby.